Hello, welcome back to Logics. In the previous class, we have discussed about how to set up the VirtualBox and also how to create a virtual machine, that is Linux virtual machine using the Ubuntu Linux and then VirtualBox. We have created it, and also I have shown you how to shut down the system, and also I have shown you how to log in again. Okay, without any delay, let us now continue the previous video part. Okay, from this particular point, first of all, you just open the Oracle VirtualBox. You just double click on it. Okay, we can see the mission which we have created in the previous class. I have given the name as Ubuntu. Okay, it is already selected. Okay, by default it is already selected. Now what you need to do is just click the start button, then the virtual machine which you have created in the previous class will get started. Okay, just wait a few minutes to have a pop-up bottom over here in the start bar. Okay, here there will be a pop-up will be shown to you. You need to click on that particular pop-up. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Okay, see, the pop-up is came over here. You just need to open it. The mission will get opened and it is going to ask you to enter the credential, that is it is going to ask you to enter your password which you have created while setting up the Linux environment. Okay, in the beginning, just wait a few minutes. Okay, few seconds. Okay, not minutes. Okay, it is asking me to, you just click on this username. Mine is Ajay. Okay, it is asking me to enter the password. Okay, you just enter your password which you have given in the beginning. After giving the password, there is no any button to click over here, so that you need to enter the enter button in the keyboard. Okay, then it is going to go inside the Linux environment. Okay, now we have noticed it, right? It is not going to appear in full screen mode. Okay, the the Linux virtual machine is in only semi screen, that is very half screen mode. Okay, to get the full screen mode we need to run some of the Linux commands. Okay, okay, we need to run some of the Linux commands. Okay, I will discuss those things to you, how to give those commands and all these things. Okay, you just click on the right click, you just click on the right click, then you can see the open terminal over here. Okay, after opening the terminal, you just maximize the window. Okay, maximize the window. See, I think you are visible with my text. Okay, I need to reduce it. Okay, just a second. I hope you got this. Okay, to uh, make the text visible more, then you need to click Control Shift and then plus. Control Shift and then plus for increasing the size of the text. Okay, and you need to click Control minus to decrease the text length or text size. Okay, I am going to increase a little bit more and then let us start. Okay, we need to increase the, before going into installation of the tools of the VLSI which we required, we need to do some proper settings like maximizing the window. Okay, you can see our window is very small over here, so that we need to all do this all this step, all this stuff, so that you need to give some of the commands. Okay, the first command that we are going to give is sudo apt update. Okay, sudo apt update command, this is the command we are going to give. It means we are going to update the Linux system. Okay, it is going to ask you to enter the password. Okay, for Ajay. Okay, you need to give password. Okay, you just type the password. It is not going to visible to you. Okay, you just type the password. I am typing the password. You can see it is not going to visible anything. Okay, you just enter the password from the keyboard which you have created at the beginning. Okay, you just enter the password, and then you can't able to see anything. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you can't able to see anything. You need to just properly enter the password, and then click on the enter in the keyboard. Okay, it is going to run. Okay, it is going to run. You can see I am minimizing the window. Okay, it is going to run. For you also it is going to run like this only. Okay, don't worry. It is totally dependent upon your internet. Okay, it is totally dependent upon our internet speed. Okay, let me move on to the next command. Okay, let me move on to the next command. So you can see where we are, okay, just a second, I will show you. We are currently at the desktop. Okay, we are currently at the desktop. So to come back, what you need to do is cd. Okay, you need to give another command which is cd means change directory, and then followed by two full stops. Now we have come came out from the desktop. Okay, now we are came out from the desktop. So you need to rerun the program, rerun the code. That is sudo apt update. Okay, sudo apt update. Okay, to rerun the code, instead of typing it again, you need to just use the up arrow to see the commands which you have entered previously. Okay, previously I have entered the cd dot dot and then sudo apt update. Okay, to see previous commands, you need to click on the up arrow in the keyboard. Okay, so I am going to run the sudo apt update. Okay, again. Why? Because previously I have run that command in the desktop. Okay, now what I have done is I came out from the desktop and then run the command. Okay, you can see over here, previously I am at desktop and I have used the cd space dot dot, so that I came out of the desktop. I have again rerun the sudo apt update. Okay, sudo apt update. And next what you need to do is you need to enter some other commands. Okay, you need to enter some other commands. Okay, just a second. The next command is sudo apt install build hyphen essential and then dkms linux hyphen headers hyphen dollar parenthesis uname space hyphen r parenthesis closing. Okay, this is the command that you need to enter for the next time. Okay, so I hope you can you can able to see it properly. Okay, okay, after entering the command, you need to just enter the click on the enter button in the keyboard. Okay, it is going to run. Okay, and you can see a message over here, do you want to continue? Okay, you need to type capital Y from the keyboard. Okay, okay, Y means yes, N means no. Okay, we need to give the permission. Okay, and I'm given the Y. It is going to run. It is going to take a few minutes of time. Okay, just don't worry. This is not the installation of the tools. Okay, now um, we are going to give some of the prerequisites of the Linux environment commands. Okay, these are the prerequisites. Okay, so don't worry, those are going to take some time. I am going to pause the video. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. I will show you. Okay, each and everything. Yeah, no, now you can see the command is executed. Okay, So I'm going to above and show you there is no any errors in the execution process. Okay, this is the command that we have given. Okay, and I have clicked the enter, and this is the process that is which is taken place when I just entered the enter button in the keyboard after giving the command. Okay, so you can see there is no any errors. Okay, so after a while it is completed, the process is completed. Now we are going to give some other commands. Okay, make sure that you are going to give make sure that your commands are running in a same directory. Okay, which I have which I have over here. Okay, make sure there is a only this particular symbol. Okay, bitwise not symbol. Okay, there shouldn't be any desktop or any other names over here in place of blue color symbol. Okay, this particular symbol, your username, and then again your computer name or the username. Okay, in between at the rate. After that there should be only this particular symbol, that is bitwise not symbol, and then dollar symbol. Okay, in place of blue color symbol, there shouldn't be any names like desktop, home, like this. You shouldn't have any names. Okay, make sure that like that only you are going to run the comments which I have discussed right now. Okay, so next comment you are going to do is, now what we are going to do is we are going to go to the device tabs. Okay, here there is a file, machine, view, input, and devices, right? Go to devices and click on guest edition cd image. Okay, insert guest edition cd image as shown in the figure. Okay, click on it. Did you click it? Okay, you have to click this particular thing. Okay, insert guest edition cd image. Okay, after clicking it, what you need to do is you need to type another command, that is cd, which is used to change the directory, cd, and then slash, and then media. You are going to the media followed by your username. Your username you need to give. Okay, here in this case my username is Ajay, so that I am going to give my username, that is Ajay. In case your username is something okay, VLSI. If your username is VLSI, then you need to enter your username, you need to enter VLSI in place of Ajay. Okay, and then what you need to do is you need to enter this VBox underscore GAC gas underscore 7.1.4, and then again slash. Okay, now we are going to move to this particular directory. Okay, what you need to do is cd. Okay, cd means change the directory. First we are moving into the media, and then username. Okay, your username you need to provide in this place. Okay, in place of Ajay you need to provide your username. My username is Ajay, so I have provided the username is Ajay, and then followed by you need to give this particular thing. Okay, only the thing which is going to change in this command is the username. In place of my username you need to enter your username. Everything will be same. Okay, except that everything will be same. After entering, okay, what happens is there is no any such directory founded. Okay, it is showing that there is no any directory that is founded. So let me check it. Okay, just a second. So what happened is I have checked the problem. Okay, so I am going to click on it. It is not going to work, right? So what you need to guys do is, so you just close the terminal. Okay, or minimize this particular terminal. Okay, just a second. I think charging is getting over, so that I'm going to plug in and again pause the video and tell you. Just a second. Yeah, it is got plugged in. Okay, so what we need to do is now, so just minimize the terminal. Okay, minimize the terminal, and you can see the CD option over here, right? Okay, we have gone to devices and then have clicked the insert guest edition CD image, right? Just go to the CD, okay, and then right click in this particular folder. Okay, you just maximize it and then right click and then open terminal. Okay, now we are at this particular location. Okay, we are at this particular location and we have opened the terminal, right? So we have tried, right? I think I have given wrong command in the previous uh, terminal. Yeah, I have given wrong terminal. Instead of 12 I have given 4. Okay, so that it is not opened. So you now we are at this particular point. Okay, so what we have done is we have opened this CD and then we have clicked the right click and then we have click on the open terminal, right? So I'm just showing, don't click 2 times. Okay, just open one terminal. Okay, okay, now let us see what are the next comments that are needed to be entered. Okay, just a second. Now the next comment that we need to enter is dot slash auto run dot sh. Okay, after typing the command you need to press the enter in the keyboard. Okay, it is going to ask you to enter the password. Okay, it is going to ask you to enter the password. You need to enter the password which you have created at the beginning. Okay, and then you need to click on the authenticate. Okay, it is going to run. Okay, it is going to run. Just wait for a while. Okay, till now what we have done is we are going to increase the size of the of window, right? Window of our virtual machine. Okay, now what we need to do is after the process it is going to show the message over here, that is press return to close the window. Okay, just press the enter in the keyboard. Okay, now what you need to do is you just shut down the or restart the mission. Okay, I am going to restart the mission. To restart the mission, what you guys need to do is you just go to the this particular thing. Okay, in the above there is a charging, right? Go to this and there is a start button, right? Power start, and click on restart. Okay, now we are going to restart the mission. Okay, after the mission is getting restarted, the size of the window will be increased. Okay, the size of the window will be increased. Okay, don't worry, it is going to get restarted. So till now what we have seen is we have seen some of the commands which are prerequisites commands for resizing the window. It means to increase the size of the window. Okay, don't worry, it is going to increase. So we are going to do this particular process in a very slow manner. Why? Because it is not like a application in our mobile phone, right? It is a very big mission. Okay, so you need to enter the password again by clicking on the username, and then you need to enter the button in the keyboard after entering the password. Now what happened is the size is not got restarted, right? So that what you guys need to do is you just power off the mission. Okay, let us see by power off in the mission. I offered the power. Okay, I am again starting the mission. Okay, the mission is got selected and also click on the start button. Let us see uh, whether the mission or the size of the window is getting increased or not. Okay, just a second. If not, I'm going to tell you again. Okay, don't worry. I think this time it is going to be increased. Just a second. You need to be very patient while installing these tools. Why? Because these are not game gaming apps which we have in our mobile phone. Okay, it will take a lot of time to install. Just a second, don't worry. If it is not going to work, I'm going to rectify it and I'm going to tell you in this video only. Okay, after telling that particular point, I'm going to stop the video. Why? Because it's already 20 minutes, right? Don't worry. Your internet must be very fast, then only this process or the mission virtual mission is going to run fast. So just a second. I think it's better to close again, open it again. Let me close the VirtualBox completely. I closed the VirtualBox completely and then opening it and then again starting the VirtualBox. Okay. It depends upon several parameters. Okay. I'm not pausing the video. Why? Because if I pause the video, most of the people might think I have done something else without discussing with you guys. Okay, so that I am not going to pause the video till the window become uh, more size. Okay, yeah, it is taking a lot of time. Okay, don't worry. I think it's got stuck. Is it got stuck or anything? What happened to it? Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, what happened here? Do do my memory? Yeah, I think it's getting run. It is going to run in the D drive, right? Then I need to close. Okay, let me run again. The mission is not getting started. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you. Okay, anyhow, I'm going to tell you. Don't worry. We need to have so much of patience while installing these tools. Okay, it is going to ask me to enter the password. I'm going to give the password again and clicking the enter button in the keyboard. Okay, it's taking a lot of time, isn't it? Yeah. So let's wait a while and see what happens. I'm pausing the video. Okay. Yeah, guys, it's taking a lot of time. I think we need to restart our system, not the virtual machine. Let me restart our system. Okay, if it is going to started, so then I'm not going to upload a video. Okay, if I am going to stop the video here itself. Okay, why? Because I need to restart the video, right? So you guys check the next video as well. Why? Because in that video I'm going to tell. Okay, it means whether after restarting our mission it is going to started, or after restarting the virtual mission itself it is going to big is going to it is going to started, or it means I'm going to say is after restarting our system, whole system, it is going to get updated, or after restarting the virtual machine is it going to updated. I'm going to tell you guys in the next video. Okay, so because I'm going to restart my personal computer instead of restarting the virtual machine. I have done several times. I think it is getting lagged. Okay, it is getting lagged over here. Okay, so that I am going to stop the video over here. So you guys watch the next video as well. Why? Because in that video only I'm going to tell you what happened after this process. Why? Because I need to stop the video right now. Why? Because I want to shut down and restart my system. Okay, personal computer, so that I'm going to stop the video. Why? Because it's already 26 minutes. Okay, it is 26 minutes of duration, so I'm going to stop it. Okay, just check my video, next video. Okay, then only we can able to know what happened actually. Okay, if it is going to start if it is going to start by restarting the Oracle VirtualBox itself, I'm not going to upload this particular video. I'm going to make the new process. But if it is going to started after shutdowning my own personal computer, then I am going to upload this particular video and I am going to tell you in the next video. Okay, so I hope you understood what I'm going to say. Okay, so let me stop the video here itself. Okay, just watch the next video get to get a clarity about uh, resizing of the window.